our tall cabinet section is complete, which means it's finally time for upper cabinets. Go back to cabinets, select wall cabinets. Again, choose no handle style. You'll notice two options: standard door cabinet, flip door cabinets. For this kitchen, we're choosing standard door cabinets. Start with a double door wall cabinet. Place it above the refrigerator. Positioning can be tricky in 3D mode, so switch to 2D mode. Align it carefully. Adjust the width, adjust the height. Now continue with single door wall cabinets. Place them one by one, then add a double door cabinet. Then continue filling the remaining space with single door units. At this point, the kitchen begins looking complete. But there's one thing I always check before moving forward: the functionality. Because a beautiful kitchen that doesn't function properly is still a bad kitchen. Now, let's open all the door with a shortcut. But many beginners don't know. Press Ctrl plus O. This opens cabinet doors instantly. Now check every cabinet. Do any doors collide? Are multiple doors opening awkwardly? Does the layout feel natural? This quick test helps you catch problems before rendering. And that's exactly how professionals work. They test first, render later. Now, I want to improve this empty side area. Instead of adding another cabinet, let's do something better. Open auxiliaries. Select the shelf option. Drag it into the empty space. Adjust it to fit perfectly. Now duplicate it. Place the second shelf above the first. And look at the difference. The kitchen suddenly feels lighter, more open, and more custom designed. Sometimes the best solution isn't adding more cabinets, it's adding breathing space. And just like that, we've completed the entire cabinet structure of our kitchen. But we're still missing some of the most important elements: countertops, sinks, cooktops, moldings, materials, and the details that truly bring the kitchen to life. So in the next video, we'll complete this kitchen and make it look like a real high-end design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other designers. And if you're planning to upgrade your Coohom subscription, use my promo code, HOMEDESIGNER, for up to 73% off Coohom Pro and HD Elite for an additional 10% off Elite plans. Links are in the description. And I'll see you in the next lesson.